Humans have been dreaming for cars driving on its own from a long time. As of today, more than 40 companies are actively investing in autonomous vehicle technology, including heavyweights like Ford, Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes Benz. Autonomous vehicles are not a fantasy anymore, and we are going to see fully autonomous vehicles running on road really soon. Hello everyone, I am Varun, and in this episode 4 of the series, we are going to look at development of autonomous vehicle over the years and shift of automobile industry towards self-driving cars. Experiments have been conducted on automatic driving systems since at least 1920s, whereas trial began in 1950. In 1925, Houdini Radio Control demonstrated radio-controlled American Wonder on New York City streets, traveling up the Broadway and down Fifth Avenue. The car was equipped with transmitting antenna and was operated by a person in another car. The first semi-automated car was developed in 1977 by Japan Tsukuba Mechanical Engineering Laboratory, which requires specially marked streets that were interpreted by two cameras on vehicle and an analog computer. The vehicle reached speeds up to 30 km per hour with the support of an elevated rail. In the 1980s, vision-guided Mercedes-Benz robotic van, designed by Ernest Dickmann and his team, in Munich, achieved a speed of 63 km an hour on street without traffic. In the same decade, the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency or DARPA funded autonomous land-driven vehicle project in United States. The ALV project achieved the first road-following demonstration that uses LiDAR, computer vision and autonomous robotic control to direct the robotic vehicle at the speed of up to 31 km per hour. In May of 1998, Toyota becomes the first to introduce adaptive cruise control system on production vehicle which was sold in Japan. In 21st century, many automotive manufacturers including General Motors, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, Nissan, Toyota, BMW and Volvo are in process of testing driverless car systems. In May of 2014, Google announced plans to unveil 100 autonomous car prototypes built from scratch inside Google's Secret X Lab. In the same year, Tesla Motors announced its first version of Autopilot. Model S cars equipped with this system are capable of lane control with autonomous steering, braking and speed limit adjustments. It was based on Signal's image recognition. The system also provides autonomous parking and is able to receive software updates to improve skill over time. In 2015, Volvo Cars announced its plan to lease 100 XC90 SUVs which are fitted with Drive-Me Level 3 automation technology. In the same year, the US states of Nevada, Florida, California, Virginia and Michigan together with Washington DC allowed testing of automatic cars on public road. In November 2017, Waymo announced that it is going to test driverless car without a safety driver in driver position. In October 2018, Waymo announced that it have traveled for over 16 million kilometers in autonomous mode. In 2014, Society of Automobile Engineers, which is an automotive standardization body, classified autonomy in 6 levels, ranging from fully manual to fully automated system. In level 0, autonomous system issues warning and momentarily intervenes, but has no sustained vehicle control. In level 1 autonomous system, the driver and automated system share control of vehicle like adaptive cruise control and parking assist. In level 2 automated system, the automated system takes full control like acceleration, braking and steering. Driver must monitor the driving and be prepared to intervene immediately at any time if automated system fails to respond properly. In level 3 automated system, the driver can safely turn their attention away from driving tasks like texting or watching a movie. In level 4 automated system, no driver attention is required, like the driver may safely go to sleep or leave the driver's seat. However, self-driving is supported only in limited spatial areas or under special circumstances. In level 5 automated system, no human intervention is required. The vehicle is fully capable of taking you from starting point to destination without any need. It's fun to ponder a future filled with self-driving cars, a world with breezy commutes where autonomous vehicles have made a deadly crashes a thing of past. But how far off is that future? In 2016, Google suggested that this driverless utopia may actually be much farther away than many people realize, and there are many challenges to overcome, one of which is safety. Safety is a major point for developing autonomous cars, but for now, safety is a concern rather than an advantage. In 2016, the failure of Tesla Model S autopilot caused the fatal incident in China which led to the death of a driver. Again in 2017, one pedestrian was killed due to failure of autonomous system in Uber test vehicle. Another major challenge is to produce real-time maps. For now, Google seems to be the farthest along with that technology. Google's self-driving car work by relying on combination of detailed pre-made maps as well as sensors that see obstacles on the road in real time. In this system, one of the hardest aspects is to preload map, which requires employers first manually drive the vehicle all over the street and build a rich detailed 3D map of the area using rotating LiDAR camera on the car roof. Another hurdle to full autonomy is the fact that driving is an intensely social process that frequently involves intricate interaction with other drivers, cyclists and pedestrians. In many of such situations, humans rely on generalized intelligence and common sense that autonomous vehicles still very much lack. Other challenges ahead of development of autonomous vehicles are weather conditions, cyber security, time needed to turn over the existing stock of vehicles from non-automated to automated, concern about safety and implementation of legal framework. Considering so much challenges, is fully autonomous car a dream? I don't think so.